Okay, let's take what we've learned so far, but it's going to get a lot richer and more complex. So let's go to the 11 o'clock timestamp on our documentation. And it says we're going to repeat the steps from earlier, but we're going to add in more detail to build this up from a quick demo to a serious piece of marketing collateral. This is the video that you're currently watching that you'll be able to see. I haven't navigated away from the page previously, but what we're going to do is navigate to the marketing materials templates list page again. So previously we went to data exchange and admin settings on the menu, data exchange and admin settings. What I can do, of course, is use the in-page navigation since I'm here to go back to the index page. So see in the footer there's a breadcrumb trail. I'm going to click on marketing material templates. May as well shoehorn in some navigation training, even though we're looking at PDFs today. So I'm back on that index page, and yet again I click add template. This time I'm going to give it a name, Emma's second flyer. Emma's second flyer. And the design name again is multi-work, multi-column. Fine. Clicking save, and I'm going to click through to my template. Again, I'm going to choose my cats with covers because then I know that I'm going to be able to see some data that is well endowed with covers. But what do the instructions say to do this time? Okay, we're going to customize the layout. So again, we scroll to the customize your own layout options region and click the edit button. So there's our edit button. Click on that. What are we going to do this time? Number of records to display per page. This time it's 4. Last time it was 8. This time it's 4. Number of columns per page. This time it's 2. So you're seeing the malleability of this template. We're going to be able to use the same tool to lay out quite different pages. So it's all to do with visualizing the grid in your head, isn't it? And thinking, well, how many to a page do I want? It could be 1, it could be 16. We'll see as we go. But for now, 4 per page, 2 columns per page. Move the cover width slider to the approximately halfway point this time. Righty-ho. And then in the pagination starting number, we're going to go 2, and why not bottom right? Why not bottom right? And then hit save. And the notes say that this new layout is going to give us some more room to add more data, which makes sense. So wait for that page to render, that PDF to render. It's because I've got so many covers, it's taking a bit of time, but no, never mind. And I'm on my local machine. Right, step 3, add some metadata. Let's repeat our steps from earlier. We're adding elements. So scroll up to the left-hand column region. Left-hand column, add elements. The cursor will be flashing in the filter. Type summary, righty-ho. Oh, hi Rose. And the list of possible options, check full product summary, bullet separated. Do you want to come and see? Okay. Sorry, Rosie wants to see as well, and he won't be quiet unless I pick him up. The left-hand column region shows your save element. Click the edit button. And then we say delete all the text in the field labelled heading text. So let's click to edit there. Delete all of that in heading text. Can I pop you outside? Would you mind? Because you're going to be an interruption. There you go. Good boy. Cats, eh? It's because he saw all of the cat books. So excited. Right, and hit save on that. Then it says, now let's do something new and add another data element. So this is it. You can layer up the different elements. You can choose them all in one go, or you can, explore, have a look at one or two of them, and then layer them up. So that's our very first one, but we're going to repeat ourselves. So click the add elements button and do the following. Type imprint this time. Imprint. and the list of possible options whittles down to give just one option. Check imprint, will do. Click save. And then the left-hand column region shows your saved element. Click the edit button. So there's our imprint. Click the edit button. Delete all of the text in the field labelled heading text. Fine. I mean, you can leave it if you want, but this is us trying to build this up into something that you would expect to see in real life. And press save. Okay, so now we have got our metadata, we've got our imprint there, but the next thing that we're going to do is reorder our data elements. So let's, because you can see we've got the imprint printed there, we've got the metadata printed there, but we want to have imprint before the metadata. And the way to do that is to drag and drop the elements to put them in the order that you want. So I pick up imprint, I drag it into the order that I want, and that's enough to trigger a refresh. When the page renders, we're going to see that the imprint will come first and the metadata summary will come second. And sure enough, there we have the imprint at the top. So that is the general idea there. You drag and drop to put the elements into the order that you want. It says stretch goal here, so I may as well do a stretch goal. If you want, add in a new data element of your choice. So we're going to go back to add elements then, and I will choose the thema main code. So I'll type thema. There it is, thema main code. You can see we've got lots of options. And of course these options are exactly the same as you'll be familiar with from putting together custom Excel spreadsheet reports. So you should start to recognise some of your tried and trusted data elements that you use for getting data out of Consonance in a non-Onyx format. That looks good. We probably want to remove that header again, or at the very least edit it. So this time I'm going to say thema code and then press save, and that's going to give us the thema code labelled. Otherwise it's just a string of strange gobbledygook characters and people might not know what's going on. So that is our slightly more complex flyer generating, and this time we have 4 records per page. We have some more information, and we've got this is a multi-record PDF. So as I scroll down, this is the PDF that's been generated, for everything to be clear. Great. Right, I'm going to stop this video. You have a go at that now, and see what your 4 record 2 column flyers look like on your account.